Hello, English learners. Welcome back to English Guru. Today, I'm going to share 50 powerful English words that will make you sound confident, fluent, and impressive in any conversation. Trust me, if you know these words and use them correctly, your English will stand out. So, grab a pen and let's get started. Section 1, Vocabulary Breakdown. Let's break these words into 5 categories for better understanding: everyday words, professional words, emotional words, descriptive words, and advanced words. Books Category 1, Everyday Words. Actually, I wanted to ask you something.
Actually, I just wanted to ask, what's your perfect Sunday?
Literally, I was literally shocked.
Well, literally what I said was, yeah, sure, sir.
Obviously, she was happy about the promotion.
But he was obviously lying.
Although obviously.
Definitely, I'll definitely join the meeting.
Definitely
Definitely do that, but I don't know, I can't dump to these guys.
Apparently, he's not coming today.
Other than this,
Apparently not.
Basically, it's a simple process.
Basically.
Eventually, everything will be fine.
What I actually said was whoever won would get a doll eventually.
Meanwhile, I'll finish my work.
Meanwhile.
Therefore, he missed the bus, therefore, he was late.
Therefore.
Nevertheless, it was raining, nevertheless, we went out.
I remember you with a girl.
Nevertheless.
Category 2, Professional Words. Collaborate, let's collaborate on this project.
It's Coronation Day.
Analyze, we need to analyze the data.
Definitely do that, but I don't know, I can't dump to these guys.
Strategy, what's the strategy for the launch?
But we need a strategy.
I have a strategy.
Implement, we'll implement this plan soon.
The package hit Chrissy with an implement and ran off.
Clarify, could you clarify your point?
Just clarify.
Negotiate, we'll negotiate the terms tomorrow.
Wait until we've negotiated!
Prioritize, let's prioritize the important tasks.
I'm gonna leave with my word intact. Fuck the rules of the game.
Deadline, the deadline is next Monday.
So, the deadline is the deadline.
Evaluate, we need to evaluate the results.
An astute evaluation of a...
Feedback, your feedback is valuable.
Feedback thuds.
Category 3, Emotional Words. Grateful, I'm so grateful for your help.
I am grateful. Grateful to get away.
Optimistic, I'm optimistic about the future.
I'd be cautiously optimistic.
Frustrated, I feel frustrated with this situation.
Frustration and negativity.
Confident, she's confident about her presentation.
I have confidence in confidence alone.
Embarrassed, I felt embarrassed when I forgot his name.
It's fucking embarrassing!
Anxious, I'm anxious about the results.
Oh, anxious are we? You're right.
Content, he looks content with his life. Curious, I'm curious about your.
I'm curious.
Nervous, I always get nervous before exams.
You're nervous. I'm nervous.
Overwhelmed, I feel overwhelmed with work.
I'm going to scream.
Category 4, Descriptive Words. Vivid, she gave a vivid description of her trip.
Wow, that was vivid and specific.
Remarkable, his performance was remarkable.
Pretty remarkable, huh?
Ambitious, he's an ambitious entrepreneur.
I'm not ambitious. I wasn't trying to cook.
Complicated, the situation is quite complicated.
Complicated emotion.
Spontaneous, it was a spontaneous decision.
Spontaneous
Scoliosis.
Unique, your idea is truly unique.
Unique.
Subtle, there's a subtle difference between the two.
Frank, play it subtle.
Consistent, he's consistent in his efforts.
Oh no! I just want consistency!
Innovative, that's an innovative solution.
What an innovative solution.
Effortless, she made it look effortless.
Domestic prowess and effortless style.
Category 5, Advanced words. Alleviate, this medicine will alleviate your pain. Consequence, every action has a consequence. Perspective, that's an interesting perspective. Significant, that was a significant achievement. Ambiguous, the message was a bit ambiguous. Skeptical, I'm skeptical about his intentions. Exaggerate, don't exaggerate the problem. Hypothetical, it's just a hypothetical scenario. Meticulous, she's very meticulous with details. Unprecedented, the growth was unprecedented. Section 2, Practice Session, 2 minutes. Host, now it's your turn. Try making a sentence with any 3 words from today's list and drop them in the comments below. Remember, practice makes perfect. Conclusion, 1 minute. Host, congratulations. You've just added 50 powerful words to your vocabulary. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and soon you'll sound like a pro speaker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Guru. See you in the next lesson. Until then, keep shining with your words.